Hey folks, this is Dave Castine with Vintage Cars Online. Today we got a real special car. It's a 1968 Olds Cutlass S Convertible. The woman walking behind the car now is the third owner. Motor's been rebuilt. It's got 200 miles on it. Doesn't leak a drop. Power steering, power front disc brakes. She runs really good. She's very original. Cosmetically, it's been redone. You can see a little bit of pitting left in the bumpers. That's an original T3 headlight and an original T3 high beam. That's pretty cool. She's had it since 1988. She bought it from a gentleman in Kentucky. He was the second owner, so that makes her the third owner. She's had the dog legs done on the bottom of the front fenders. The rockers has been pretty good. The back quarter panels are good. She had a little bit of work done up here, just very, very small. Just a couple of bubbles. She didn't put the wheel well trim back on because she felt it trapped some water, which is probably very true. Single exhaust, 350, Rocket 350 with the 4-barrel carburetor. Runs and drives great. She's got that 2-speed Jetaway transmission, I think they called it. It's not the Chevy Power Glide. Car's super straight. It's been repainted. Base coat, clear coat, saffron yellow. The power top works perfect. You can see that in another video I'll give you. Also comes with a parade boot. The interior's been all recovered with new carpets, buckets, console. The dash is all original. Interior light works, AM, FM radio. It's a non-AC car, power steering. Dash is really clean. Everything works. I mean, the fans, all speeds work in the heater and defroster, and the defrosters blow up, the heater blows south. Not a tilt wheel. But again, these seats have all been recovered and new carpets. It's pretty, and you'll see the pictures I have. All the windows work, manual windows. It's really straight, really pretty. Car pops in the sun. Put the hood down. It's got the little specks falling from the trees on it, but she looks nice. 3-owner. Had some trunk work done. At the trunk pan, she lost her mind a couple months ago when she lifted up the trunk pan, saw a couple of pinholes in it, so she had a local body shop replace the entire floor pan in the trunk. Did a nice job. She runs good. Very reliable. She always took care of anything that it needed the minute it needed it. Nice lady. Nice lake house too. Alright folks, any questions, give me a holler. This is Dave, 617-513-7407. Have a wonderful day. God bless.